Hello, Clearbra, North Dallas. Finishing up another full Clearbra installation, paint protection film / Clearbra. 2018 BMW X4. This one's a full front with rockers. This one has about 8,000 miles on it roughly. So we did full bumper, obviously, headlights, fog lights, full hood wrapped in, fenders, flares, mirrors, and then the rockers. Let's take a quick run around this without boring everybody, but keep in mind we show this so you know what to get, because we get in on a weekly basis cars from other places that were done. Some done very well, but some no edges wrapped, some really, really bad that I wouldn't post pictures just out of respect for whoever. So nevertheless, this is what we do at Clearbra, North Dallas, wrapping all those edges in. So there's nothing, it all goes underneath. Nice clear hood, couple little marks on this one from rocks and things, but other than that, it cleaned up nice. It got a full decon, it got a full wash, obviously, a full correction with polishers and certain products to get it glassy. And here's where we wrap our fenders in. On this one, we made an exception by removing those for the client. Unfortunately, sometimes those break, but we tell them we're not going to be responsible if they break, and they allowed us to take those out, and we did, and no problems. Wrapping in, sorry about the smudge. Wrapping in here and wrapping underneath. We try to limit all the lines, so wrapping everything in. Mirrors, you can't even see that seam. Nice and tight. We took our time to seam that together. It's two pieces, one on top, one on the front. We've done it in one piece, and the problem is it buckles right here and wants to come up. Coming around the rockers down below. It's a nice big rocker, folds into the door, nice and clear. And then we went ahead and ceramic coated it. That's why it's so glassy on top. With the PPF, there's no ceramic coating needed. Ceramic coating is an option. It makes it slick, gives it sun protection, UV, whatever you want to call it. But the ceramic coating is a nice option. With full wraps, we give you a 2-year complimentary, and it just makes the car so easy to wash and puts a nice slick surface on that. It's like that frying pan commercial. Coming around this side, one of the things we did, we trimmed out these sensors because they're recessed, but we left these covered as they're perfectly flush with the bumper. Just one less area of a wrap, and it doesn't show an airline once purged. And that's about it, folks. So there's the overall product. 2018 BMW X4, Clearbra, North Dallas, clearbranorthdallas.com to get a hold of us. And then 214-414-3809. If you have any questions for me, I'm Brent, and love to talk to you. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Any questions, let us know. Thank you.